In this episode, we drive up to the RV a day early to do some last-minute maintenance, charging the battery and fixing the front grille. Mike works from the rig, and we go to Wildflyer to pick up our Mead, load up the rig with our snacks and meal preps, and then we're off to San Antonio for a long birthday weekend. This trip is a special one. It's a birthday getaway to the San Antonio Alamo KOA, located close to historic landmarks and downtown attractions. So come with us on our adventure. It's Wednesday afternoon. After work, we head to the RV. Mike warned me that the battery's probably dead, and it was. So we had to jump start it, and then we had to charge it.
It's at 75%. So it's right here. You can see if you put your head over here by me, you see this thing?
Oh.
See? Look. There's a block. It's just angle. It's a big angle iron.
This is the right front side that's anchored to the body. So we made a trip to Lowe's for something to secure the grill to the body. Now, we didn't film any of the actual repair, but I'm showing you what we did and how it worked. Just block of wood here, glued it to the body, and then we used the existing bracket here and screwed it in. It's still holding. This is what we used, JB Weld. It says wood and fiberglass. We let it dry for a day before we attached the bracket. Just saw a wasp. We have these things. That one fell off. Let's get right here. So I got a replacement one. It comes with a little tool, which you really do need. So I'm going to try to replace it. See what happens. These screens stop the wasps from building nests in the furnace and the hot water heater. Here's the little tool that you really need. Don't lose that thing. It also comes with 3 little springs. Like a little spring. The trick is, after dropping the spring on the ground and about 10 minutes of trying to get the tool through the screen to push the spring around the chrome arm in the back, I finally got it secured. That's what it looks like. I just saw another wasp fly by. After Mike finished work, we headed to Wildflyer to pick up our Mead. Of course, we tried their handcrafted sodas and they were amazing. But we couldn't take them home. They make them there. By the time we headed back, the sun was setting. We have the breakfast burritos are in the freezer. We got our crazy noodles meal prep in here, and there's also down here in the bottom. We have our stuffed baked potatoes, and we have our refrigerator freezer in the back, but they're both on refrigerator right now because we went to Bee Weaver and we got some of their brand new beer. And this is a Mexican style honey lager, and we got some Mead. They make really good Mead. They have their 4 selections for they belong to their club, and this is called Almost Paradise. Have some on the weekend. Our birthday trip. Yum, yum, yum. Mike is heating up our meal prepped breakfast burritos. He's heating up 2 of them in the microwave. He's spraying them with olive oil and he's putting them into the toaster oven to brown a bit. That looks good. Yummy. Breakfast burrito. Or meal preps. Yay! Makes life easier in the morning. So it's perfect.
It was perfect.
It was perfect. It's gone now. We're using Mike's checklist app to complete our trip prep.
There's the other cup out here.
I'm wrapping up all the glassware that we have. Our coffee cups, our glasses. We finished that task. Mike's checking it off and realized we need to secure the kitty litter box before it goes flying across the floor. course, we have to vacuum the rugs before we pull them up. You gotta shut down the internet. Okay. I didn't remember that was like checklist item.
I should be able to fire up my checklist. There it goes. Work without the internet. Alright. RV exterior. Let's see. Got the magnet shade off. I removed from the windshield, from the driver's side. I removed the wheel covers. That has to rolled up the hose. Yeah, we did the weather forecast. Yeah, the necessary. Yeah. Expected theory. Yep, we did that. So we did the front. So I gotta check the bay doors. I gotta take Starlink down.
The backup camera's outside.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, I saw it. Taking down the Starlink. I have to unplug the router so we can pull the wire out from underneath the slide. Meanwhile, Mike has to take down the pole, disassemble it, wrap up all the wire, and stow the Starlink. Mike is putting the backup camera on the RV. Just turned it on, make sure it's working. Checking to see if the camera is working. No, it's on now. Start the engine and bring in the slides.
In the slide.
Okay.
It's been greased.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Okay. Now bringing in the back slide. Now we're bringing in the kitchen slide. We're having issues with the backup camera. It's not working. So Mike took it down to charge it. I'm bringing it back out to Mike to mount it after charging it. He's up there cleaning the metal plate that we have that it mounts to. Hopefully it should work. We close our electrical box, we lock it.
Try lifting them up now.
One of our jacks is in the mud and under the board it was supposed to be on.
I see what's going on.
What? You stop it?
Push the back down as far as it'll go.
Alright, I'm lifting them all. He's using a rubber mallet to dislodge the board that is preventing the jack from rising.
Look at the corner where it's cracked.
Oh wow,
it was jammed in there.
Oh wow.
So it's trying to lift up, it's trying to lift the RV with itself.
With the boards. Oh, okay, the board in the corner.
So I had to push down on it to get by it.
Oh wow.
See the whole shit, when it's coming up I kept banging on it to move it, and I
okay.
chipped away at the wood.
Alright.
And I got it up.
Okay, well that's good. Always something. Okay, you want me to move it up?
As long as the jacks are up.
The jacks seem to be up. Break off. Put in a toe haul. And it come down off those boards. And there we are. Alright. Put it back in park. See, camera's still on. Time to hitch up the truck. I can't get the pins out. Time to get the WD-40. Yeah, Murphy's Law. It's always something. Oh, the wind is picking up, which means now we have to drive in it. And of course, it's blowing from the west, and we're going west. Emergency brake on.
Four-wheel switch all the way to the right and hold it there until you hear click, click, click.
Okay.
There,
There it goes. Now I see the little
okay,
light.
now,
Little lights
now
on
shut the
there.
engine off.
Shut it off. Okay.
Put it back in park. Okay, now put the ignition, make sure it's in the ignition part.
Take the brake off. Unhook the battery. We have a little screw thing that unhooks the positive terminals. Left signal. That's right signal. Brakes.
Okay, drive it around. Wait till I get to the other side so I can watch it.
Turn. We have to make a sharp turn to get out of our sight and into the road. Oh, we still haven't told. Alrighty. nice tight turn. So you can see if the wheels are turning in the direction we want them to turn in. If they don't, they slide on the grass. That's how we know. It looks like we're ready to go. Woohoo! For our first trip of the season, this should be a nice straight run. It's supposed to be only 139 miles away. It should take us 2 hours and 5 minutes. At least that's what we're hoping for. But you know, things never go as the way they planned. We're finally off to San Antonio. Time for a rest stop and time to walk Enzo, who's nervous on travel days. After that stop, we're off again. Only an hour to go. So we thought. Surprise! We run into road construction.
It's a triangular lane, it's all state funded.
Yeah,
this doesn't come from the federal government.
No, this is the state.
This is the state.
The state's the
You
triangle.
want to know where your taxes are going? You're looking at it. I don't have a problem with it. It's a convenience, but when it's not, it's going to be good.
Yeah. It says 0.2 miles.
Turn left at the traffic
I wonder if where that truck's going.
You said a mile though, right?
A mile, yes.
Yeah.
1/2 mile. Turn left.
We're here at the San Antonio Alamo KOA.
Afternoon. Good, we got reservations. Got it? You got it. Thank you. Yep.
We went to the office to check in, and then Mike unhitched the truck. We have an escort that's going to take us to our site, which is cool. This is a really big KOA. This takes some of the stress out of the travel day. The tree curves out into the RV site.
Which side? Do I have to come further over? Alright. Alright, that's fine. Alright.
There was a little wind.
Oh, that's okay.
So I got that off, but yeah, if you pull out this way.
We always look up when driving or pulling into a campsite. Why? Because we learned this the hard way with our brand new fifth wheel in 2005. Yep, we hit an overhanging tree limb on a campground road. That's one huge lesson we never forgot.
Almost, it's almost.
Finally, we are parked, leveled, and opening up the slides. See, the cats are along for the ride. There he goes. Okay, go lay down. Yep, Enzo needed a walk, so we checked out the dog park. Hey, Camp Canine. They have bags here too. Yeah, that's always good. Where are you? Sniffing everything else. He was too busy sniffing to do his business. He was checking his P-mail. Okay, this is our campsite. It's a pull-through. We decided we wanted pizza, so we tried out the Patio Cafe right here at the KOA. Yep, with all that meal prep food in our RV, we wanted pizza. We're bad. Of course, we had to feed the pets first. They had a stressful travel day too. Come on, keep eating, Patches. You too busy watching the birdies? After Enzo and the kitties finish, it'll be our turn. Our guilty pleasure after a really long travel day. How many of you have a guilty pleasure? Put what it is in the comments. In our next episode, we explore a bit more of the KOA. We take Enzo on a 3-mile trek on the Salado Creek hike bike path, then explore 3 of the 4 historic missions, go to the Pearl District for Carol's birthday dinner. I realized we missed a mission, and we went back to explore that next day. I have to admit, our feet were killing us after the first day, so I'm glad we did the 4th mission the next day. So come join us on our adventure. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see what we're up to next. Ring that notification bell to tune in to our next video, usually out every Saturday morning. Please leave a comment too. We would love to hear from you guys. Have a good one.